Guatsi se hopa, guana mesasish, gami hanotza osata, gochininak merinak sitram she. My name is Shirley Pino, and I come from the Pueblo of Santa Ana, and I live on the Tamaya lands. We brought together our Pueblo people to create traditional clothing, to continue to make them. They were determined. They were dedicated, all the students that were here, all the people that were here. It was always a blessing every day.
So I think like classes like these, especially the way Shirley teaches, she teaches you the significance of, why we're making this clothing and what the purpose of it is, and that we've always done it this way. And there's a reason behind it. It's not just to do it this way. There's, especially things ceremonially, there's a reason for it.
It's exciting, to be in a group gathering because we're able to share our stories, our teachings from our elders, our ancestors and stuff. Everybody has a connection somehow, and having that education, being able to share those stories amongst one another, the importance of the meaning of the colors, our culture, how everything blends in, all the education that we can pass on to that person who sometimes didn't grow up with an elder. They didn't get to meet their grandparent. They didn't grow up in the tribal community. So those are the ones that are coming back, and it's important, and like having these, like I said, group gatherings, we're able to share and connect.
And I'm just so fortunate and thankful that I was able to get in, because it's been really fun. I've really enjoyed the time that I've been here, meeting other women from other pueblos, to be able to make these type of clothing, because this is clothing that we wear throughout our life, and you can't just run down to the nearest Walmart or the mall to pick out this type of clothing. So learning to be able to make this type of clothing is very important.
It also helps preserve the teaching, the culture, even the language, so that we can also pass it down. When we start learning about how to make an adult manta, and then learning how to make a child manta, or even a baby toddler manta, it's important to keep learning, because then it's not all the same. The measurements aren't the same, even the thickness and the wideness are not the same. So it's important to attend these workshops so that you can continue learning the different techniques. And then you can also take it back to your home and keep sewing for your family and your community.
The women that came together, and also one man, to me, it was a blessing, always a blessing. And I'm always happy to bring people together to help them sew and to create our traditional garments.